welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox Error Code 610. Roblox Error Code 610 is a common HTTP connection issue that prevents you from joining games. Here is how you can quickly fix it. First of all, head over to Roblox. From here, make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device, which resets your network. After that, what you can do is simply head over to More and then log out of your account and log back into your account. If that does not work, what you can do is head over to Settings on your device. Once you're inside Settings, simply tap on Apps, tap on Roblox, tap on Storage and Cache, clear the cache of Roblox and then reopen Roblox. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, long press on Roblox, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. Also, if you are using a VPN, make sure to toggle it off by heading over to Settings, Network and Internet, and from here turn off all DNS or VPNs. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.